This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Fightcade, updated. First, download the Fightcade client and install it on your computer. Create or sign into your Fightcade account and confirm your email to access lobbies. Place compatible ROMs in the designated folder and let the client scan them. Configure basic netplay settings and match synchronization. Test a local match to verify controllers and latency before joining ranked or casual lobbies. In this video, I will show how to set up Fightcade, updated. Next, ensure your ROMs match the Fightcade supported list and are placed in the correct folder. Add any required BIOS files into the emulator directory exactly as the client expects. Avoid renamed or zipped files because the scanner may not recognize them. After organizing files, run the scanner, fix any missing entries, and prepare to map controllers and test a match. In this video, I will show how to set up Fightcade, updated. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love The Simple Path to Wealth as a thoughtful book that can change how you think about money and savings, and it pairs oddly well with budgeting for gaming gear. If you found this useful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to set up Fightcade, updated. Then, map your controller buttons in the input settings and save a profile for quick loading. Tweak rollback and netplay options to balance responsiveness and stability for your internet speed. Use the input test to confirm button presses and check dead zones so moves register reliably. Finally, join a friendly lobby to test matches and fine-tune settings with real opponents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.